I'm absolutely convinced that we have to take down the gangs that are running the vile trade of putting people into boats in the first place. We have to smash those gangs. The only way to stop that is to smash the gangs that are running this vile trade. Smash the gangs.
We're bringing in new counter-terror style powers for our law enforcement to be able to go after the people smuggling and the trafficking gangs.
I'm looking through these punitive new sanctions, jail terms for certain crimes committed by smuggling gangs, but don't the vast majority of these sanctions you're talking about here apply to criminals who aren't in the UK? They're on the continent, they're not under your jurisdiction.
Shocking new figures from the Department for Work and Pensions reveal that over £7.5 billion in universal credit was doled out to foreign nationals claiming benefits in 2023 alone. That's £7.5 billion of taxpayers' money.
المكانات في الزيتون تصحى يا باب برخوزي يو عايشين جنجو ما
انتي كنت تواسي وانتي كنت معايا ديما تو وليت نخاف حتى كيف نبوح بكليمة اسم الخوان اللي خلى اولاد نضاف تعيش يتيمة واللي مخو حكيله راجل تحكم فيه بيمة اليوم عيني